Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you all how to make aloe vera oil. This is more like a continuation of my previous video where I shared how to make aloe vera gel. So please, if you haven't watched it, be sure to check it out after this video. To make the oil, let me give us a rundown on how I actually prepared my aloe vera before use. I actually got some aloe vera from my garden, then I detached it from the stem. I gave everything a quick rinse in order to get rid of some particles. To remove the yellowish latex present in aloe vera, I had to allow it to sit overnight in a bowl containing water. Then after about 24 hours, I drained out the water. You can actually see the latex yellow color in the water. I further rinsed everything properly before using. To make the oil, I had to pant the aloe vera dry using a kitchen towel. This is because oil and water don't mix together. I then divided the aloe vera into two. I used the first portion to make some aloe vera gel, so I'll be using the second portion now to make some aloe vera oil. So to make the oil, I'll gently trim off this rough part using a kitchen peeler. You can choose to use a knife for this. I'll further cut the aloe vera into smaller chunks, just the way I'm actually doing it. Aloe vera oil is actually made with both the green part and the gel. Alright, this is actually what we have after cutting. It's actually looking so beautiful. I'll transfer everything into the blender. I'll also be adding some olive oil to it and some coconut oil. This is actually homemade coconut oil. I have a video already on the channel where I shared how to make coconut oil at home. I'll be adding the link to the description box, so please be sure to check it out after watching this video. I'll just cover and allow everything to blend properly. Aloe vera oil actually have so many benefits. It can be used on the skin and also for hair to give it that shiny look. I'll be blending the aloe vera till I have a very smooth consistency, more like a smoothie. Guys, just look at this. Next, I'll be transferring the blended aloe vera into this pan. I'll just gently get everything out. Then I'll cover and allow it to cook on low heat in order to prevent it from burning. Usually this process takes up to 30 to 45 minutes. After about 15 minutes, this is what we have. Then 30 minutes later, the oil has started to form. After about 45 minutes, this is actually what we have. I'll just gently take it off from the heat and allow it to cool. Next, I'll be straining the oil using this fine sieve into this plate. You just need to be very careful with this process. Okay, I'll just press the chaff down in order to get more of the oil. Guys, just look at our oil. Okay, I'll just gently transfer the oil into this bottle. Actually notice that there's still lots of oil in the chaff, so I transferred it into this clothing in order to get more of the oil. And finally, this is the quantity of aloe vera oil we actually have from about 4 aloe vera leaves. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this out. But just in case you want your aloe vera oil to be a little bit lighter in color, you can choose to use more of the coconut oil. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. See you all next time in my next video. Bye bye.